Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Can saving just $1 a day really make you a millionaire in America? It sounds impossible, too small, too slow. But what if I told you that thousands of ordinary people have quietly built seven-figure wealth using this exact idea? No lottery, no viral business, no six-figure salary. Just time, discipline, and smart investing. In this video, you'll discover the real power of small daily savings, how compound interest secretly builds wealth, and a simple step-by-step plan anyone in the U.S. can start today. Watch till the end, because the final minutes could literally change your financial future.
Most Americans don't become poor overnight. They slowly drift into financial stress. Paycheck comes in, bills take it away. Rent, groceries, subscriptions, credit card payments, and at the end of the month, nothing is left. Nearly half of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not because they are lazy, but because no one taught them how money actually grows. Here's the painful truth. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how soon you start investing. Wealth isn't built in big moments, it's built in tiny daily decisions, like $1 a day.
Let's talk about Daniel, an ordinary 22-year-old working his first job in Texas. Salary wasn't impressive, student loans were real, life felt expensive. But Daniel made one unusual decision. He would invest just $1 every single day. That's only $30 a month, almost nothing, right? Instead of spending it, he invested in a simple S&P 500 index fund. Average historical return about 10% per year. Now here's where things get interesting. If Daniel keeps investing $30 every month for 40 years, total money he personally adds $14,400, but final value over $150,000. And if he increases slowly to just $5 a day, he could cross $1 million, not through luck, but through time.
So what's the real magic here? Compound interest. Money making money, and that money making more money. Like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it looks tiny, almost pointless, but give it enough time and it becomes unstoppable. This is why starting at 20 beats starting at 30, even if you invest less. Because in investing, time is more powerful than money. The earlier you begin, the less you need to sacrifice later. That's the quiet secret behind most self-made millionaires. They didn't wait until they felt ready. They just started small. Now let's make this practical. Here's how anyone in the U.S. can start today. Step 1. Start ridiculously small. Even $1 a day works. The goal isn't the amount. The goal is the habit. Step 2. Open an investment account. Beginner-friendly options, Roth IRA, 401k with employer match, low-cost index fund brokerage. Keep it simple. Simple wins long-term. Step 3. Automate everything. Automation removes emotion. When investing becomes automatic, wealth becomes predictable. Step 4. Never panic sell. Markets fall. News gets scary, people quit. But history shows long-term investors win. Patience is the real advantage. Here's the truth most people ignore. Becoming a millionaire isn't about brilliance, it's about consistency. The difference between financial stress and financial freedom could be one small decision today. $1 saved, one investment started, one habit repeated. Years from now, you'll either say, "I'm glad I started," or "I wish I had." The choice is still yours. If you believe small steps can build big wealth, subscribe to Monivex for simple, powerful money lessons every week. And comment below, "I'm starting today." Because your future wealth begins with a single step.